Hi, this is Camo WTI. When I found this e.l.f. Mauve liquid blush, I just fell in love with the color and the texture. I really love the texture because it's buildable, but I also like the little sparkles that it has. A tiny bit can go a really long way. I like to apply usually one layer, but sometimes I like to do two layers depending on the look that I'm going for. I love that it's a very dewy finish. It almost feels like my skin. It looks really natural. And this is what I like to do every day. I don't like too much of a makeup, so it gives me that little extra just to kind of look a little bit alive. And I also like to apply it as a primer for eyeshadows whenever I'm using a mauve or a brown kind of eyeshadow. It stays there the whole day. It's really workable. I can blend it really easily. And this is the final look. I love it. And that's my point of view.